We would not have a functioning dashboard without the input of Neil and the work that we did together anytime soon. And then what that means for patients is that we have a real-time view of what is happening within our department. So unfortunately, a lot of informatics or information surrounding medicine is always done retrospectively. So what this dashboard gives us is real-time data, and the power of that we are just seeing on a daily basis. So I'll give you an example of that. So we recently changed our process so that we introduced a triage bay. And what the dashboard was able to show us is that on average, every single patient, it reduced the time within SDEC by 20 minutes, which is a really significant amount of time. And knowing our own patient feedback, we know that time in department is a real bugbear. So being able to display that in real time was just really, really powerful. I think one of the really important outcomes from this project for me as a professional was my interaction with the professionals of the Scottish Tech Army, the main one being Neil, but I also have to mention Victoria as well. And actually having that contact with professionals that work within separate organisations enables you to raise your eyes. They were obviously donating their time, but they were so enthusiastic, and that was really helpful during a time in the pandemic that was really grudgy for us here in the NHS. To know people that were invested and were wanting to give us something back was just so empowering. So that was really, really important. But also, the conversations that I had with Neil in terms of data and in terms of data development was just really enriching for me as a professional and as a person, and it helped me understand how to communicate and develop interactions with professionals that have a skill set that I need to connect with, and how to get the best out of one another. And it was just a really positive and informative experience.